Hey, what's up guys? So welcome back. This one's going to be a short one, but I wanted to keep y'all updated based off of what I've done so far on the truck since my last video. I think it was the TPMS sensor video, but just a quick update. So I ended up ceramic coating the roof because I ended up just doing a bunch of driving, and this heat is terrible. It's probably the hottest summer I've ever seen. So triple degree heat, 90% humidity, it's terrible. So I wanted to make sure my ceramic coating was at least on top of the roof first before getting into everything else on the truck. I think today I'm going to go ahead and ceramic coat the tail lights and the headlights, and then also the wheels. So this is what this video is actually about. Also, I got a road demon hit my windshield a few days ago, so I'll show you a photo of that. It's terrible, and I actually found out that my truck actually has the sound screen windshield, so it sounds pretty expensive. I may wait and see where the well, actually I am going to wait until I see where the crack is actually going to go, whether it goes immediately sideways or straight up, which is what I'm hoping. Today I also got an oil change done on the truck. I took it to the dealership and they did the tire rotation just to save me some time. So without further ado, let me go ahead and show you the process of what I'm about to do to ceramic coat my wheels, because they get disgusting with these stock brake pads with a bunch of brake dust bleeds off of them, and they're all black, so you can see every little bit of brake dust. Alright guys, so I finished washing them. They are clean. I went ahead, cleaned my brake calipers, used some brake cleaner, cleaned them all up. Those look pretty good, but they're the rear brakes. So next step, just like any other ceramic coating, what I'm gonna do, maybe a little overkill for wheels just because they're wheels and they get beat up. But I'm gonna go ahead and just use some polish. I'm gonna use this hand little scrubber. Pretty much just polish the lip of the wheel and then move on to cleaning it up with the paint spray. Alright guys, so I went ahead, just for a recap, washed them. I clay barred them real quick. I used a polish just on the lip of the rim right there. As you can see, it's a little shiny. I can see it from my view. Last step, what I'm going to do is actually use a paint prep, and this is just Griot's Garage. It's just something, it's like pretty much rubbing alcohol to remove all the contaminants. So I'm going to use a paint prep, use a microfiber, go ahead and wipe down the entire. Alright guys, so finally, probably after 2 hours of prep, I got both wheels ready. I have my ceramic coating. I'm just using C-Quartz. I like Adams, they're very user friendly. I have a light above me. I can see when the ceramic coating flashes, giving me the cue to actually wipe it off. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this. Apply the lip first, and then I'm gonna go ahead and go into the face of the wheel, and then into each one of these specific spaces within the face of the wheel. So let's get started. Guys, you probably can't see, but this looks extremely well after just doing that lip portion with the coating, did the cap, looks amazing. I'm telling you, the amount of prep that goes in is totally worth it. All right guys, I am finally done. It took me about probably 3 hours, taking my time. A lot of it is the prep. Just like any other ceramic coating, if you do it to your truck, car, it doesn't matter. It's all in the prep. Just a quick tip, I used a Sharpie to darken those weights. I wish they had black weights. Like here's a close up. This thing is shiny, I'm telling you. Definitely worth it, worth 3 hours of your day. and this was only 2 wheels. So I still need to do the other 2. These were actually the worst 2 because they've been in front of my truck for the last 6,000 miles. So guys, what I have coming up is I have a SMB intake. It is an open one, so I have that coming up. I'm gonna install it on my truck. Stay tuned. Please subscribe to my channel. If you're not already a follower on my IG, check that out. Go ahead and follow me, and I'll see y'all soon.